Hi investors, it's Bernice Retzoff with TurnkeyInvest.com. I help investors just like yourself buy and sell great real estate right here in Memphis, Tennessee, just like this property behind me. Today we are at 1410 Lyceum Road in Memphis, Tennessee in the 38106. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in a B-class area. Let's go take a look. This property is listed for sale for $124,900. It was built in 1957 and has a square footage of 1,080 square feet. This is one of our turnkey properties that we did a full renovation on. It has brand new mechanicals, brand new roof, new HVAC, new water heater, and new plumbing as well. The previous plumbing had cast iron pipes, so we went ahead and replaced the main line on this property. Brand new exterior paint out front. We did landscape the bushes to tidy them up a bit. Up front here, we are going to paint the railings out front a solid black color. We are also going to paint the porch here gray and reseal it. Let's take a look inside. Thank you so much for tuning into our most recent video. If you like seeing these home tours of Memphis and the greater areas, we would greatly appreciate it if you liked and shared this video. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, back to our scheduled programming. I would like to let you know that this property is winterized, so you are going to see blue tape over the toilet, sink, and a few other areas. We winterize our properties the beginning of December, just to make sure we don't have any busted pipes in our properties. Here we have the living area, brand new interior paint throughout, new flooring throughout. So in the main living areas, like the bedrooms and the living room, you're going to see brand new LVP flooring. Brand new front door here. Lots of natural light in this home coming in. Just off of the living room, we have the kitchen. Brand new cabinets in the kitchen here. That new tiles in the kitchen. Excuse the mess, like I said, we just winterize the property. Once somebody moves in, we will de-winterize the property. So it is the tad messy in here. We are going to send a cleaner out to re-clean the property as well. Brand new kitchen cabinets. Brand new countertops. Stainless steel sink. Side access door. This gives access to the right side of the home. Let's go ahead and head down the hallway here. Before we take a look at the bedrooms, I want to talk some numbers with you. So let's talk numbers. With a purchase price of $124,900 and a target monthly rent of $1,095 a month, you're looking at a cap rate of 7.95%. and a cash-on-cash return of 6.01%. Your total cash needed to close would be $37,725, resulting in a monthly cash flow of $188.82. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. Continuing down the bedroom hall, taking a left here, we have our first bedroom. Spacious bedroom. You could easily fit a queen in here, or a twin and a dresser with room to spare. We did put new LED lighting throughout the home as well. This is energy efficient. It helps keep your residents' utilities costs down, which they absolutely love. We have dual sliding doors concealing the closet here. That LVP flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving up top. Directly across the hall, we have the fully renovated bathroom, one of two. New tile flooring, tile surrounding the shower. I love that built-in shelf right there. Perfect for shampoos, body wash, conditioner. Brand new one sink vanity. Here we have the linen closet, and I absolutely love this. This is a little laundry chute in the bathroom. We decided to keep this. Like I've stated in my previous videos, we do love to keep some character with the home. So they can put their laundry basket down there and just toss their laundry in there. take it down to the laundry room. Up here we have a plethora of shelving for towels and any other bath products. Adjacent from the bathroom, we have an additional linen closet or just a storage closet. That LVP flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving up top. Here we're gonna put shelving in this closet here. We're gonna work on that this week. And that's capped to the gas line there. We're also going to clean that up as well. Taking a right here, we have our second bedroom. This bedroom could fit a full bed and a dresser with room to spare. Let's take a look at the closet. The LVP flooring flows into the bottom. We have wood shelving up top and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. There is additional storage up top. Unfortunately, I did not bring my step stool with me and I'm a little bit short, so I can't show you in that cabinet. But it just provides a little extra storage. Directly across from this bedroom, we have the third bedroom. Once again, that new flooring is in here as well, the new interior paint. You could fit a full bed and a dresser in here. I do not think a queen bed would fit in this bedroom, but a queen would fit in the others. The LVP flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving up top, a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. This is concealed by dual bifold doors. Heading to the end of the house to take a look at our last bedroom here. We have the fourth bedroom with that new flooring, new paint. You could fit a queen bed and a dresser in here. You do have the left side access to the home. Luxury vinyl plank flooring flows into the bottom, wood shelving and a rod for your residents to hang their clothes. Let's go directly across the hall here. Here we have the laundry room at the very end of the house. Brand new washer box installed. Washer to the right, dryer directly in front of us. And here we have the second bathroom, fully renovated bathroom. Brand new tile flooring, tile surround with that built-in shelf as well. Brand new one sink vanity. Now let's go ahead and take a look out back. Now we are taking the exterior tour. We are in the backyard. Here you can see the left side access from bedroom number 4. That was in the back of the house. We do have a 1-car drive here. Chain link fence surround. This property is in the school zone of Hamilton K through 8, which is 4 minutes away, and Hamilton High School, which is 3 minutes away. The nearest parks are Lincoln Park, which is a 6-minute walk, and Pine Hill Park, which is 5 minutes away. This property is also located 13 minutes away from downtown and 5 minutes away from I-240. Thank you so much for going on this property tour with me. If you have any further questions about this property, need help building your portfolio, or just have general questions about investing in Memphis and the surrounding areas, please feel free to reach out to me and my team at turnkeyinvest.com. On our website, you can also find other properties we have listed for sale if this one does not quite fit your buy box. Thanks so much. Bye.